everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gqeberha the Empire from the 4th to the 8th of November 2024 on Monday. Lulama looks out for Thulani and she hates herself for what she continues to do behind his back. Ntando's Mbelego is an awkward affair for Nontle on Tuesday. Ntando drops a bomb on Zimkita after seeing the devastation she caused him. Lulama is determined to get her revenge on Hlumelo on Wednesday. Lulama thinks she has power over Hlumelo, but Hlumelo pulls a move on her that she didn't expect. Zimkita is helpless at stopping Ntando from moving out on Thursday. Lulama struggled to keep up with Hlumelo's ridiculous demands. Zimkita drowns even deeper and Ntando remains resolute in his decision. Ntando grapples with the weight of feeling unwanted by his siblings on Friday. Thulani's suspicions of Lulama and Hlumelo force him to hatch a plan. Nuntu worries about what Zimkita may do when left to her own devices. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.